Welcome to my video, me showing love to my golden Land Cruiser. I hope you'll enjoy it. So today working on the car, my least favorite places of all. Today I'll show you how to replace the O-ring, the seal for the speed sensor, which is located here. So yeah, it's a pretty straightforward job. Let's get to it. Remember, safety first, keep your hands clean, wear good gloves. Step 1, to disconnect the electric connection. There's a boot on top of the connection. Slide it off and pull the connection off. Step 2 is to remove the bolt. It's 12mm. Then the sensor, just slide off, just pull it out straight. There we go. Of course, prepare to catch oil. So here are all the parts related to the speed sensor. After I dismantle everything and clean it, that's the sensor itself. I cleaned it as best as I could using a rag cleaner and a rag. That's the old seal, sits here. That's the clip that holds the gear into the speed sensor itself, and that's the gear where the speed sensor gets its reading from. Now, unfortunately for me, I believe I found an unpleasant surprise related to this part. So a quick story, approximately 7 years ago, while driving on the highway, I suddenly lost the speed reading on the dashboard, and the culprit was this part. I think the teeth on the gear itself broke off or something. I'll share a video about it later. And yeah, the car was taken to some no-name mechanic who supposedly replaced this with a new part, but there's no way this part should look like in such condition after only 7 years. Also, I'm not sure if it's visible on video or not, but we can see the teeth of the gear itself already show wear. So yeah, fortunately I have to order a new part and wait. So after 2 days I finally got my new gear, and what a difference. I think that crooked mechanic put the gear from the scrapyard or somewhere from me. Anyways, he passed away, so let's spare him the bad wishes. And the new gear comes with a new seal and clip. How nice. But if you want to just replace the seal on me, this is the part number. For me, this will stay in the store forever. I don't think I'll ever need it. What a waste. So if you end up like me having to replace the gear, just be mindful that the gears have different ratios, at least for the 100 series Land Cruiser. So make sure you get the gear with the right ratio for your speed sensor. I'm not sure, it depends on what, so I'm not gonna share that information. But one way to tell is to look at the front side of the gear. I'm not sure it's visible in this old gear, but it says 1131. The new one, you can see it says 1131. There's also I believe 1233 gear ratio, so make sure you get the right gear for your speed sensor. And that's the part number for the 1131 gear. So let's reassemble the speed sensor, starting with the O-ring. Be patient with it. Then the gear. Just make sure to press it in to expose the hole for the holding clip. Then this clip sits like this. There you go. So back under the car, I took the down guard and cleaned it because it worked as a oil catch can for me. So make sure the housing is clean. Use brake cleaner. Face on the outside. So time to put back the speed sensor back in place. You might want to use a light coat of fresh gear oil in the O-ring for easier insertion. There you go. So make sure the sensor sits in the proper orientation so you can slide the bolt in easily, and tighten and then torque it to 97 inch-pound. Last but not least, reconnect the electric connection. So yeah, I would suggest taking the car for a test drive, warm up the transfer case, making sure the speed sensor is working. So come back, take a look here, making sure there's no oil leaks. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep your land cruisers happy and don't forget to charge yourself. Bye.